Today, we've got some exciting news for you from Apple's makeover to OpenAI's power move and Microsoft's cloudy future. Buckle up, let's dive right in. Bored of how your iPhone looks? Apple is too. Reports suggest Apple is planning a radical redesign of iOS, iPadOS, and macOS. Because let's face it, the software has been playing it safe for years. But this isn't just about aesthetics. Apple's hardware sales have been slipping, and a fresh UI could be the nudge people need to upgrade their devices. The revamp, rumored to debut at the Worldwide Development Conference in June, aims to unify the experience across Apple's ecosystem. Think cleaner layouts, smoother interactions, and maybe, just maybe, a few AI-powered surprises. Meanwhile, in AI land, OpenAI just dropped some fresh tools for developers. The new Responses API lets developers build AI agents that don't just spit out text, they do things. Imagine a chatbot that doesn't just answer your emails, but also schedules your meetings and orders your groceries. But OpenAI isn't the only game in town. Chinese AI startups are making moves, fast. Companies like Monica, with its Manus AI agent, are offering similar tech at a fraction of the cost. With OpenAI's tools making waves and China's AI industry surging, the AI arms race is just getting heated. Over at Meta, Mark Zuckerberg is getting serious about cutting ties with chip giants like Nvidia. Meta has officially begun testing its first in-house AI training chip, a silicon beast designed to power its AI models more efficiently. Why does this matter? Well, AI needs a lot of computing power, and right now, Nvidia pretty much owns that market. If Meta's chip performs well, it could mean fewer supply chain headaches and lower costs for Meta. Plus, it's a clear signal that Zuckerberg wants to control his own AI destiny. Whether this chip will be a game changer or a costly experiment remains to be seen. And still on the scene, Microsoft is killing off its old remote desktop app. And no, this isn't a Windows Update horror story. Instead, it's replacing it with a brand new Windows app. The new version promises better multi-monitor support, dynamic display resizing, and smoother performance. But here's the real takeaway. Microsoft is pushing harder toward cloud-based computing. The shift aligns with its broader AI-powered vision for Windows. Translation? The future of Windows might be less about what's on your PC and more about what's stored in the cloud. Buckle up, because Microsoft's long-term play could redefine how we use computers. And that's all for today. Join us on Friday for another episode. Thank you for watching.